Welcome to Leviton's Project of the Week series. Each week we'll introduce a simple weekend upgrade to improve safety, help save energy, add convenience, or update the look of your home. Spring is here, and it's time to start preparing your outdoor spaces for the warmer months ahead. So while you're putting together your to-do list, don't forget to make sure the outdoor outlets around your home and on your property are well protected from the elements. Levitan offers a full line of weather-resistant outlet covers, including our extra-duty while-in-use covers that are ruggedly constructed from durable UV-resistant thermoplastic. These covers protect outdoor outlets from rain, snow, insects, and debris, and provide reliable and safe access to the electrical device. They're perfect for use with lawn equipment, pools, hot tubs, landscape lighting, sprinklers, outdoor entertainment systems, barbecues, fountains, and any other outdoor electrical needs you may have. While-in-use covers are available in vertical and horizontal configurations for a secure fit and neat appearance when mounted. The cover and base protect wiring devices from the elements without breaking, cracking, or discoloration. Stainless steel hinge pins offer added strength and resistance to rigorous or harsh daily use. If you're planning to install a while-in-use cover, be sure to evaluate the surface to ensure it's smooth and clean. If the surface is uneven or has irregularities like brick or stonework, you'll need to use a silicone sealant to ensure proper sealing. Installing Leviton while-in-use covers is an easy way to make outdoor electrical usage safer. For more detailed information on Leviton's while-in-use covers, visit our website at leviton.com.